What's going on, guys? Just a quick one. I'm going to show you how to clean an engine in a this is a Toyota Hiace D4d. It's the turbo diesel super long wheelbase one. I'm going to show you how we clean one of these engines. So I've got the engine warm. We're going to go around and start it and keep it running while we do our clean. We've got water-based degreaser in our spray gun. Going to give it a hit with that, then we'll give it a gentle hit with the wash down hose and see what it looks like. We may even use the karcher hot to get some of this stubborn dirt off. If you have a look, there's obviously a little bit of a leak on that vacuum line there. As far as I know, it's never been cleaned. It's not mine, it's my mate's. There's our turbo side down there. Big pipe going that way, big pipe coming back. It's our intercooler lines that go up to the radiator. They're remote mounted out the front of these things. Common rail, as you can see. There is some electrical connectors and things like that you want to be careful of. But let's start it and we'll get some degreaser soaking on it. I hate the way new vehicles beep. There's our happy little turbo diesel. See, I put the intercoolers up there. It's not fan cooled, which is a bit of a disappointment. The one in the Triton's got a fan behind it. If you wanted to improve the efficiency of your Hiace, you could probably fan cool it. I imagine on highways, well, you probably get a fair bit of squish through airflow there. See, the heater hoses are nice and warm there. There's actually steam coming off them from where I've already washed this section out. Okay, this foam gun is set to number 1, which is the most foam you can hit it with. The beauty of this model Hiace is its vinyl floor. We'll quite easily be able to blow any of that out with the compressed air gun. So we'll give that a minute to soak in and we'll go and turn the karcher on to hot. Okay, our big karcher here is a diesel fired one. So what we can actually then do is, that's our temperature knob. So we'll turn that up relatively high. We'll turn the soap off because we don't need the soap anymore. It's a HDS 745. So that'll now blow out hot water as soon as we fire it up. Take the brush. Take the nozzle out of the karcher just so we make stonking hot water with a good bit of flow. Give the brush in some hot water. As you see, kind of calms down the water speed. But there's a 50 or 60 kilowatt diesel burner in our karcher. Won't take too long to get hot water. See the steam in a minute. Yep, there's the steam. Yeah, hot water should be somewhere in the 80 to 100 degree range. Like I say, it is a very powerful 50 to 60 kilowatt only jet thing. With the brush. Can't see anything for steam. Righto, I'll do this for another minute or so and I'll come back. Righto, last thing you want to do is take the compressed air blower, blow the water off. Going the other side, we'll be able to blow that off that nut there. This is actually the way I clean my rental Hiace out often. Let out aircon and recirculate for a couple of minutes while we get this shut and shut the van up. And we'll have all of the moisture get ripped out by the aircon condenser. And then your turbo diesel Hiace. A whole lot cleaner than it was, and yeah, you haven't heard anything in the engine. I'll check engine lights. It just sits there and purrs over like a beauty. I would never recommend washing an engine that's stone cold. At least if it's warm, you've got a bit of a chance of the components inside the engine bay dissipating a bit of that water away, and yeah, you also don't want to hit things that are red hot, like turbo manifolds, things like that. You want to be careful of those kinds of things. But as for the rest of the engine, turbo diesels aren't too bad. Petrols, stay away from your injectors and spark plugs. So yeah, otherwise, thanks for watching. So you wash your turbo diesel Hiace engine bay with not too much issue, and it's a whole lot neater than it was. Thanks for watching. Bye.